Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the only available ticket source and meeting minimal requirements. You must be at the correct level, clear daily locks, and free one inventory slot. This prevents wasted runs. Once done, queue at the precise raid location or accept the specific quest that guarantees the ticket drop. Make sure your party composition or AI settings prioritize fast clears so you can repeat efficiently and preserve limited resources. You now perform the core execution that yields the ticket. Enter the raid and follow the exact sequence of actions, target priorities, mechanics, and timing, because the ticket drop is conditional on those steps. Use a repeatable, fast clear build to hit time or damage thresholds tied to the reward. Once you complete each attempt, log consumables used and attempt count to optimize yield. Make adjustments only when data shows a pattern that increases or decreases ticket rate. You finish by executing the final trigger that actually grants the ticket and claim it right away so it doesn't vanish. If the ticket does not appear, do a clean reset. Exit the raid, wait any required cooldown, clear client cache if allowed, then re-enter and repeat the exact steps. If failure persists, check event rules and patch notes and verify hidden conditions like necessary items, reputation, or previous step completion. These often block the reward even when every visible step seems correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.